So we are asked to prove that s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, remember that this is a quadratic equation formula, fondly known as almighty formula. So in order to prove this, remember that quadratic equation is of this form: as squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here now we're going to make this coefficient of s squared to be 1. In order to do that, we are going to divide the whole of the equation by the coefficient of s squared, which is a. So I have bs divided by a plus c divided by a equal to, you can say, 0 divided by a. Then a divided by a will give us 1. So we are left with s squared plus, you can write this one as b over ax plus c over a equal to 0. That's 0 divided by a will give you 0. Then the next step to take is to take the constant to the right hand side. So taking the constant to the right hand side, you have s squared plus b all over ax is equal to, when addition cross the equality sign changes to subtraction, we have minus c all over a. Then the next step now is to get half of coefficient of s, add it to the both sides and square. Then what is half of b over a? Let me just solve it here. Half of b over a is something as saying half times b all over a, which will give you b over 2a. 1 times b is b, 2 times a is 2a. So I'm going to add it to the both sides and square. And I have s squared plus b over ax plus b all over 2a all squared equal to minus c over a plus the same b all over 2a all squared. Now, in order to factorize this, there's no need factorizing this. At this point, I'm going to take x, since s is common here, add it to whatever I have in the bracket, which is b all over 2a. Complete the square. To now be equal to, since I have minus sign, let me rearrange by saying b all over 2a all squared minus c over a. We are arriving to the answer now. Now, keep writing this one down. You have s plus b all over 2a all squared is equal to b raised to power 2 will give you b squared. 2 squared will give you 4. A times a will give you a squared. So this square here is affecting everything in the bracket. Minus c all over a. I'll keep this one constant as well by bringing it down. All squared is equal to, I'll use the LCM. LCM of 4a squared and a is 4a squared. 4a squared divided by 4a squared will give us 1. 1 times b squared is b squared minus 4a squared divided by a will give us 4a. 4a times c is 4ac. So in this case, I'm going to make s the subject of the formula. That is s standing on its own, meaning that b over 2a will leave. Crossing equality sign changes to minus b all over 2a. Then, in order to remove this square now, I'm going to introduce plus or minus and square root this side. I will now have b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 4a squared. Then s is equal to minus b all over 2a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by square root of 4 is 2. Square root of a squared will give you a, just like you have square root of a squared. Square root will cancel square, you now have what? A. So finally, s is equal to, let's take the LCM. LCM of 2a and 2a is 2a. I'll write 2a. 2a divided by 2a will give us 1. 1 times minus b is minus b. You write your plus or minus. 2a divided by 2a will give us 1. 1 times the whole of this will give us root b squared minus 4ac. This is the formula. This is how to prove it. Thank you so much.